Hi friends. So actually, this video I'm explaining about how to do texturing work in Blender, how to apply the material, and how to use UV editing. Um, I will show some small demonstration about texturing work. Okay, I'm planned for do small. I'm planned for air conditioning model object. It's a low poly model. I will open that. I will open that software. Then okay, I'm just loading. Okay, actually, the first of all, you download that texturing image. I will use Chrome, then let's see, texture. Okay, I will download that first texturing image. Because I will choose, yeah, I will choose this kind of thing. This image, how to apply the material in object. I will show. I download this image. Okay, this is object. Just I will make just low poly model, little bit low poly. There's no not working. It's little bit shape, air conditioning shape. Yeah. Then control all control E. Yeah. Okay, this is our object. Okay, how to do the this material? How to do apply in 2D to flatten image is converted to this 3D object. Okay, just okay. First, I will apply the material. Okay, go to shading tab. Then it's a base color is showing. See, base color is showing. We add image texture. Just put into put. Then open. You download image. I will download that image. Yeah, this image applied the object, but it's not properly. Okay, now we go to UV editing. After then we 3D to convert to flatten surface. Flatten 3D to 2D. Okay, flatten surface. This object you convert it to flatten. What you do, select all, then control E. You choose showing so many options. We choose mark sim. Just click mark sim. All things are cut. After then you press U, just unwrap that image. Everything is see the tab, see this place. Everything is unwrapped. Okay. After then you choose that area. I will choose this area. This area is my front portion. So I will I will adjust and paste that image. Okay. Simple work. You choose material tab and showing here. Yeah, it's not good properly. Yeah, I will rotate that object. It's not proper. It's but yeah, it's- yeah. It's now the one side materials applied. We same thing we applied every place. We no need this fan here just to paste this. Other side is this thing. G. Colon paste this point. I'm not do highly. Just low. I will make how to do low poly modeling. Okay. Just do this thing. Yeah, almost completed. portion is curved properly correct, right? Wait. Okay. Almost everything is over. Mm, yeah. Yeah. Actually, now I'm image applied to object. You see in this, see, figure, that portion. Yeah. See, you properly apply that object. See, I will show the small low poly model I will make the same formula used in high poly. I think, yeah. s- I will references. I will increase my reference. Yeah, yeah. So completed. Actually, um, how to do apply the material in object. I will show. Okay, guys. I will end up this video. Next video, I will show how to UV painting. I apply in material apply in paint method. I will show next video. Thank you.